Look at these monkey tails. And Louie's hungry. He's starving. Hi, sister. You're Umiko, right? Hi. Yes. Umiko. Oh my goodness, you're loud. Why did you say that? Oh my goodness. Hi. And then Ledger. You're cute. That's not nice. Come here, Umiko. Yeah, I'll comfort you. A bunch of purr boxes today. There you go. Let's go. What's happening? Oh, hi, Ledger. You're so needy. You're so needy. Hi. Hi. Ew. I think you're Uzuki. Can't read that well. No. My eyesight's not too good. But that's okay. Because I don't need perfect eyes to see you kids. Kiss Ledger on the head. Hi, can I pet you? Look at this creature. Look at this monkey tail. Yes, thank you. Hi, beautiful.